Hello everyone, Zain with you, and today I'll show you how to use generative fill in Adobe Photoshop. First, you want to go and open the Adobe Photoshop like this, and here you have this option, Firefly Workspace. You can go through it or describe what you actually need from this section right here, or simply click on Select Image, then go and select image from your PC. I'm gonna use this image for example. Then here I will add, remove the weapon that she handle and put some flowers. Then click on edit a prompt, edit with a prompt, and it will redirect me to this page right here, to the Firefly. Now I'm gonna click on your device again, choose the photo, then I'll wait for a couple of seconds. So this is the model. You can choose between any one of these models as you can see. And here we go. This is the result. Now we can go to fill, choose the brush size, the brush hardness, then go and select the brush like this and type here what you need. I need to add a background map from Overwatch 2 with flames beside the character. Then click on fill, and of course you can even change the model. And the good thing is that you can do this for the photos you have or even from the scratch. And of course, this will cost you credits, so you have to have Adobe Photoshop, the paid version. Okay, it generated this image as you can see. You can change it. You can get back by clicking on Ctrl+C if you would like. You can upscale it. I'm gonna upscale it x4 or 4x and see how it will work and how is the result. Now it upscaled the photo as you can see. Now we can simply click on open in editor and this will send it to Photoshop editor. And here we go, it will open just like so. You can click on these three dots and select more properties. If you would like, you can simply click on select subject. Now I will go and click on quick selection tool. Then I'll select the character. I'll just double click on this lock icon on the right side. Then I'm gonna hit OK. Now I'm gonna click on the quick selection tool and choose my character. Then I'm gonna click on generative fill, then click on OK. Then I will type what I need. Change this character to another one. Then click on generate. It will take a couple of seconds in order to do the processing. And here, as you can see, it gives you multiple options. You can change between them by clicking on the options on the right side, or you can even click on these arrows right here. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.